Today I am going to show you the most useful keyboard shortcuts for Google Chrome that will make your browsing faster and more efficient. The first shortcut is Ctrl+T. Pressing this opens a new tab instantly. The next shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+N. This opens a new incognito window for private browsing. If you accidentally close a tab, you can reopen it using Ctrl+Shift+T. This will restore your last closed tab immediately. To switch between open tabs, use Ctrl+Tab to move to the next tab and Ctrl+Shift+Tab to move to the previous one. You can also jump directly to a specific tab using Ctrl+1, Ctrl+2 or Ctrl+3. To close the current tab, press Ctrl+W. If you want to refresh a page, use Ctrl+R. To refresh without using cache, use Ctrl+Shift+R. To open your Chrome browsing history, press Ctrl+H. To access your downloaded files, press Ctrl+J. To zoom in on the page, press Ctrl and the plus key. To zoom out, press Ctrl and the minus key. To reset the zoom to normal, press Ctrl and 0. To bookmark the current page, press Ctrl+D. To open your bookmark manager, press Ctrl+Shift+O. If you want to inspect a page or open developer tools, you use Ctrl+Shift+I. To find any word on the page, use the search shortcut Ctrl+F and type what you are looking for. To quickly open Chrome settings, press Alt+E and then press S. If this shortcut guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss my next tech guide.